Hello again, Dr. Richard Crokin, American Integrated Chiropractic. I think that there is a misunderstanding about many of the things chiropractic can do for you. Clearly, most people will consider chiropractic for generalized neck and back pain, and that's a good start. However, at American Integrated Chiropractic, we will take a little different look on things. The fact is, within all of the joints of your body, toes, knees, wrist, but particularly in the spine, there are quite literally switches, receptors, if you will, that when the spine works appropriately, gravity will pull down and squeeze on those receptors. Now, it is that mechanical energy that directly sends an electrical impulse to our brain. So it's important to understand if the joints of the spine are not functioning properly, our brain is not working properly either. And this can lead to a number of conditions: headache, visual disturbances, bowel and bladder trouble, even general GI or stomach upset. So remember, think of chiropractic if you have some of these other issues, and the weak links are, again, headache, stomach, or bowel and bladder.